Hello, I am Azim Ansari, Assistant Professor, Shri Vile Parle, Kelwani Mandals, Institute of Pharmacy, Dhule. Today I am going to discuss the guideline of Schedule P. First of first one, what is the Schedule P? It includes list of life periods of drug and condition for storage of drug. Life period means life period means life period of drug means the date of drug from which drug manufacture to date of expiry. That is the life period of drug. Then these are the some specific life period of drugs. uh, BCG vaccine, the life period of this BCG vaccine is only 14 days from date of manufacture to date of expiry. That is the only 14 days. After that, this BCG vaccine degrade out, deteriorate. Then whole human blood collected in ACD, life period is 21 days. Whole human blood collected in citrate phosphate dextrose in adenine solution. The life period is 35 days. Then diagnostic diphtheria toxins or typhoid vaccines. Period of these drugs is only 3 months. Then typhoids and paratyphoid vaccine, rabies vaccine, parallelide injection. The life period is 6 months. Then bacteriacin, toxin, zinc bacteriacin tablet, then diphtheria toxoid, DHL vaccine. All these drugs having the life period is 12 months. Then these are the amoxicillin trihydrate, diphtheria and tetanus toxoid, and typhoid paratyphoid A, B, and C vaccine, typhoid paratyphoid A, B, and C, and tetanus vaccine. All these drugs having life period is 18 months. Then ampicillin capsule, ampicillin dry syrup, ampicillin injection, cephalexin, doxycycline ointment, chlortetracycline hydrochloride ointment, doxycycline monohydrate for oral suspension. All these drugs having a life period is 24 months. Then hydramycin and ampicillin trihydrates life period is 30 months. Then these are some again life drug: ampicillin sodium, amoxicillin trihydrate, chlortetracycline, dimethyl chlortetracycline hydrochloride capsules, oral suspension, erythromycin oral suspension, having life period is 36 months. Then chloramphenicol capsules and tablets, chloramphenicol eye drops, dimethyl chlortetracycline hydrochloride, dextrocycloserine or doxycycline hydrochloride. All these having a life period 48 months. Then chloramphenicol, chlortetracyclines hydrochloride, chlortetracycline hydrochloride capsules, colistin sulfate, erythromycin, ethyl succinate, gentamicin sulfate, all these having a life period in 60 months. That is all these drug life period. Then storage condition of these drug. What is the storage condition? Then all the antibiotic store in cool place. All the antibiotic store in a cool place. Then ampicillin trihydrate, amoxicillin trihydrate, dimethyl chlortetracycline hydrochloride store at temperature not exceeding 5 degrees centigrade. Then cephalexin store to protect it from light. Then chloramphenicol sodium succinate powder, then chloramphenicol sodium succinate injection, chlortetracyclines hydrochloride. All these drugs uh, store in well closed container with temperature not exceeding 30 degrees centigrade. Then erythromycin stolate tablet store at temperature not exceeding 20 degrees centigrade. Then vitamin. All the vitamin store in a cool store in a well closed container protected from light in a cool place. Then insulin preparation. All these insulin preparation store at temperature between 2 degree to 8 degree centigrade and must not be allowed to freeze. This insulin preparation not be allowed to freeze. Then normal human plasma. Then anti-hemophilic human globulin stored in a cool place. Dried plasma, dried normal human serum stored at temperature not exceeding 25 degrees centigrade. Frozen plasma stored in a deep freeze. Liquid normal human serum albumin stored in a cold place. Then whole human blood stored in a cold place. Then all the whole blood collected in acidic solution, which are stored at temperature between 4 degrees centigrade to 8 degrees 6 degrees centigrade, and collected in CPDA solution, also again stored in between temperature 4 degrees centigrade to 6 degrees centigrade. Then seratoxins and toxoids, all these stored in a cold place. Then diagnostic diphtheria toxin stored in between 2 to 5 degrees centigrade and it protected from light. Then inactivated diagnostic diphtheria toxins store in between 2 to 10 degrees centigrade, preferable at the lower limit. Then all the other vaccine store in cold place. Then polio vaccine store at minus 20 degrees centigrade, rabies vaccine store at 0 degrees centigrade, and typhoid vaccine store at 4 degrees centigrade. Then all the antitoxin for serum extracted preparation and miscellaneous drug store at cold place. Then the term cool place means the place having a temperature in between 10 to 25 degrees centigrade, and in the term cold place means place having a temperature not exceeding 8 degrees centigrade. Then capsule should be kept in a well closed container at temperature not exceeding 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, thank you very much.